Well, hello there, folks. Today we're going to go ahead and make this cube. This cube has three basic components. We've got two circles and a rectangle. Now you can see we have a limited amount of information provided, so we have to really dig into how this is made. Obvious thing we have is there are two circles and a rectangle. Now this rectangle is different than other rectangles we might have created before. Because in order to make this one, we're going to need to use the aligned rectangle tool. And that's how you create a sloped rectangle. So with that tool, you click the first point, click the second point, and then click a third point, and that will let you draw a rectangle at an angle. This is something you can move around. So my software, yeah, this is something you can move around, grab everything, there we go, and move around and use it. And it's something that we can manipulate. Okay. Next thing is you'll notice that the two circles have a single center point. So with only one center point, that means we can combine those. We'll drag that center point, or drag the center point of the small circle. So my internet's lagging a little bit today. We'll drag the center point of the small circle onto the big circle. Drag that over, there we go. And now those are connected. I'm going to delete that rectangle, draw it again, so it's in the more like the orientation of the original. There we go. Now we can see that our center point is above our origin. So I grab the center point and drag it above our origin. It lines up. And the outer circle is tangent or concentric to the origin. And let me go ahead and start adding some dimensions. The outer circle is 90, the inner circle is 66. And now our rectangle has a width of 12. And it's at a slope of 45 degrees. Well, we can't apply that 45-degree slope. Actually, we can. We can apply that 45-degree slope relative to the horizon. So take the dimension tool, click on the horizon, click on the base of the rectangle, and that's 45 degrees. We have a problem. Parallel. So we accidentally, let's get rid of this loop. Let's get rid of that one. There we go. Now I can slide. The base point of our rectangle is aligned with the origin, so we'll slide that down until we see the origin line up. You can see that's stuck on there. And then if we look here, we can see that the leftmost point is aligned with the origin as well, so we'll drag that over to the origin. And the last thing is only one dimension left that we can adjust, and that is the left to right position of this base point, which you can see here our dimensions is 28. So we will go from here, the origin to that base point, and again, from the origin to the base point, and try it again, origin, and let's do it that way, from the vertical axis to the base point at 28, and everything should lock in place. And there it is. You'll notice all of our geometry is fixed, turned black, and now it's just a matter of trimming out the middle. Get rid of that using the trim tool. And we're done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Well done.